Llanybydder Family Centre was established in 2001. We currently open 4 days a week, and we have around about 133 people who attend the centre. That includes about 80 young children. We provide various activities including language and play, cylch meithrin, messy play, outside activities and lots of other things that the young people like to do. The grant from Hanfod Cymru will be used towards our Mixed Up project, which is a mixture of activities from messy play to outdoor education to cooking to fitness, and it will help the staff to run that project. The grant will make a big difference to some of our families. Llanybydder is quite a rural area, and rural isolation is experienced by many of our families. For the children, it will give them opportunities to experience different activities, visit different areas and improve language and communication skills.